and let us not grow weary of doing good. For in due season we will reap if we do not give up. That's Galatians 6:9. And as the saying goes, bloom where you are planted. Hey there, if you think your apartment, balcony, or tiny backyard is too cramped for gardening, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn even the smallest space into a lush green oasis using vertical gardening. Let's kick things off with a little tour of what's possible. Picture this: herbs cascading from wall planters, strawberries dangling from hanging pockets, and lush, leafy greens climbing up a simple trellis. All it takes is a bit of creativity and the will to get started. Now, first things first, find your sunlight. Most plants love at least 6 hours of light, so scout out your brightest wall or balcony railing. That's your garden's home base. Next, let's talk about structures. You don't need anything fancy: old pallets, hanging shoe organizers, or even stacked pots do the trick. If you want, you can pick up some vertical planters online. But honestly, a quick DIY project adds a personal touch. Soil matters. Choose a high-quality potting mix. Vertical setups dry out faster, so make sure to water more often, but don't let your roots get soggy. A drip irrigation kit can be a game changer if you're busy. Now, let's talk plants. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley thrive in vertical gardens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are perfect too. If you want a splash of color, try nasturtiums or pansies. Yes, you can eat them. Don't forget, the higher you go, the lighter your pots should be. Place heavier plants down low and lighter, trailing ones up high. That keeps the structure steady and your plants happy. Here's a bonus tip: mix things up. Combine edible and ornamental plants for a beautiful, functional wall of green. And remember, gardening is all about experimenting. Some things might not work out, but that's half the fun. So whether you've got a sunny balcony or just a sliver of wall, vertical gardening lets you maximize your space, grow your own food, and bring a little joy to your everyday. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're ready to start your own vertical garden, let me know in the comments what you're excited to grow. Remember, big dreams can grow from the smallest spaces. Happy gardening.